Okay, in the last we have seen the problem number 1. Weight is given, F naught value is given, that F max is given, that F value, that is the frequency, that is the force frequency, that is given as a 12 hertz. Next one is the zeta, that is the given damping ratio as 3%. And from this we have to calculate the value of R first. R is nothing but a frequency ratio, omega to the omega n. How we have calculated this? That TR is equal to F naught, that FT upon F naught is equal to काय फॉर्म्युला होता आपला? That formula is root of 1 plus 2 zeta r bracket square divided by 1 minus r square bracket square plus 2 zeta r bracket square. And by putting this value of this zeta, that F naught Ft in terms of this formula, we get directly the value of r is 3.6502. Okay, and what is meant by this r? R is nothing but a resonance. Resonance frequency, that is R is nothing but a resonance, which is a frequency ratio of R is nothing but omega to the omega n. Where omega is the forced frequency that we can calculate with respect to the f twice pi f divided by omega n. Twice pi f, that f is already given, that is with respect to the 12 hertz, which is the forced frequency. And based on this, we will get directly the value of omega n, and by omega n, we will get directly as a omega n is equal to root of k by n. By taking the squaring on both the sides, we will get directly the value of k. And which is the value? Please tell me the answer of k. Tell me the answer of k. What is the k value? From my side, that value is 130.479 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter. That is the value of k. Write down the next problem. A sensitive equipment. Write down the second problem. A sensitive equipment. A sensitive equipment. A sensitive equipment is to be installed. A sensitive equipment is to be installed in a factory. A sensitive equipment is to be installed in a factory so that the vibration from adjacent machine will not disturb the performance of the equipment, will not disturb the performance of the equipment, full stop. So it is proposed to So it is proposed to. So it is proposed to. It is proposed to mount the equipment. Mount the equipment. Mount the equipment on a set of springs. On a set of springs. On a set of springs. Full stop. If the instrument weight, if the instrument weight, if the instrument weight, if the instrument weight 5,000 Newton, if the instrument weight is 5,000 Newton, if the instrument weight okay. Once again, I will read. A sensitive equipment is to be installed in a factory so that the vibration from adjacent machine will not disturb the performance of the equipment. The performance of the equipment. So it is proposed to. So it is proposed to. So it is proposed to. It is proposed to mount the equipment. Mount the equipment. Mount the equipment on a set of springs. Mount the equipment on a set of springs. Mount the equipment on set of springs. Full stop. If the instrument weight 5,000 Newton, instrument weight 5,000 Newton, and surrounding floor vibrates at surrounding floor vibrates at 1200 cycles per minute, 1200 cycles per minute, 1200 cycles per minute. Full stop. Calculate the stiffness of springs. Calculate the stiffness of springs. The stiffness of springs required. Stiffness of springs required such that motion of the base of the equipment is limited to 10% of 10% of floor vibration. 10% of floor vibration. Full stop. Assume damping ratio. Assume damping ratio is 8%. Damping ratio is 8%. Okay. Bana, all of you write down the given data first and we'll solve the problem. What is the weight given? Weight is given as a 5000 Newton. Convert it in terms of the kg by divided by 9.81 in terms of the kg. You give me the answer please fast. Whatever the f is given, f is equal to 1200 किती दिलेलं आहे cycles per minute. That is the cycle per minute. So we can convert it as in terms of the cycles per minute. So it will be converted in terms of the radian per second. So how we convert it as a divided by, it will become a 60. What is the remaining? That 0 getting cancelled up. That is the f is equal to 20. That is the cycles per second. That will become a cycle per second. So we will get an answer in terms of the radian per second. Next point कुठला बघा या ठिकाणी TRD ratio काय काय दिले बघा लास्ट सेंटेन्स मध्ये calculate the stiffness of spring required such that motion of the base of the equipment is limited to 10% of the floor vibration. 10% of the floor vibration means there is a ratio is given that FTR to the, that is the TR ratio is given as a FT to the, that FT to the F naught, that is given as a, it is 10%, that is a 10 multiplied by 100 means equal to the 0.10 they have given. So from that directly you can calculate the value of R. Calculate what is the formula for TR? That TR is equal to root of 1 काय value आपला 1 plus 1 plus 2 zeta R bracket square divided by 1 minus R square bracket square plus 2 zeta R bracket square. Then tell me the answer of this. 0.10 is equal to root of that value as a 1 plus 2 into zeta ची value किती दिलेली आपल्याला? That zeta is given as a किती percent दिलेला आपल्याला? Zeta is given as a 6 किती percent दिलेले? 8%. That is a 8%. So it will become as a 0.08. Put this value. That is a 0.08 into R, that is a bracket square divided by again 1 minus R square bracket square plus 2 into 0.08 into R bracket square. Tell me the value of R and we will go for the further. Tell me the answer of R. Put these values in terms of the now visible. Roll number 23. Only whatever the given data that I have written on the board. No problem. You can solve this and tell me the value of R. Okay, all of you. So, what is the answer of this R? Please tell me. Pratiksha, roll number 23. Manisha, roll number 19. Quadratic equation. You have solved or not? Tell me the answer of R. From my side, the value of R is 0.3214. Okay, that is the value of R. So based on this, we'll get the value of R. From this already we know that is the omega to the omega, that is the ratio. So that is the frequency ratio R, omega to the omega n. So already we know the omega. Where is the omega? Omega, how to calculate this omega? That omega we have to calculate. Omega n is equal to twice pi f divided by R. Twice pi into f. What is the f value? That f is equal to the 20. So divided by R is 0.3214. So what is this omega n? Please tell me the omega n value. Omega n is equal to 390.8160 radian per second. And from this we have to calculate the value of k. How to calculate? Omega n is equal to root of k by m, where k is equal to omega n square into m. So put this value here and we get directly the value of k is equal to 77.84 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter. That is the value. So write down in your notebook. If you have completed, give me the attendance. Roll number 1. Roll number 1. Roll number 2.
Present, madam. Present.